Gaeilge Weekly is brought to you by Learn Irish Online. For way more shows, videos, podcasts, and courses for learning the language, head to learnirishonline.com or patreon.com/learnirishonline.
You've been the best of times, you walk me through my darkest days. Why must I turn around? I ask myself. This just ain't fair, so hard to bear. I'm not really sure these days. You walk me, you don't
Hello, Mát an Wat, Tróna Ma, Conas Atáid Fáiltearás, chuig Gaeilge Weekly on podcast Gaeilge. Is mó down, the most listened to, biggest Irish language podcast around the world. Is Liam Learn Irish Online. Agus tá mé fíormhaoch, very grateful, go bhfuil tú ag túnál éisteacht chun éisteacht Lauert la or níl clógam cén fá, or John McClue but hopefully you'll enjoy it. Anyway, tá súlágam le cúna dé go mhainfí tú feabhas éas conas atámuid an teachtain seo gachrúd gma an seo is sa bhil tá inniu mar ní mar deire an tairí, not like the end of the summer, ceapam go mbeidh inniu mar an lá dearanach gen extreme heat, the last day of that extreme heat. Le cúna dé mar an inniu ba sé harta carcha beidir céimháin is carcha 40-41 degrees ach amórach agus an chuid eile gen seachtain the rest of the week ba sé bhád níos lú. Agus an sin, baimid ag deire mhí lúnasa will be at the end of August. Crackalsa, chun smoin of crazy to think, you know, alán daoine géisle le seo beidir go bhfuil sibh iwwer múnseirí, beidir go bhfuil sibh iwwer micléin, you might be teachers or students agus is dócha ba sibh rais ar scoil, nó ar an gláiste, nó ar an ollscoil. An teachtain seogan, thart ar an 8 lá, 9 lá is fithe de bhí lúnasa ar an munscoil agus ar an meánscoil. Is dócha ar as sin éireann beidir cúpla seachtain níos déine ar an ollscoil a few weeks later university. I guess, but crazy how fast it goes. Felt like just a few days ago, bhí sé cos bhfuil a cúpla lá ó hin grámid I mí meitheamh, and it's one of those things as you get older bit by bit agus tá sé garí ní sinne, like tugann tú bhí deara, 3 months is a lot less of a percentage of my life anis tá 3V tá sé mar a bhád níos lú de ma héal ar fad anis I gcompráid le nervhí mé de mlína díos mar hampla, you know, the time goes by quicker, it's saying an tam I bhád níos tápúla. Ach, ar éos, conas atá muid go léir, how are we all doing, Thomas? Mar dúirt mé an seo is sa bhil kind of coming and going for most of August. Bhí mé ag labhairt an teachtain sicáte faoi a bheith hall in éireann ar feadh caiiciis to kind of get away for a fortnight and enjoy that and how good it was and different things I got up to. But at some point you have to face the music and come back to the heat here. Ag pointe and caithí tú, you know, dullar ash agus a bheith sa choke the reach. But trying to break up August because, as I've said before many times on the podcast, mar Louis mé neartóranta rive seo ar an bud craile. You know, August is the one month of the year where it's just not that nice being here. Thought me Luna summer still canteen v irit na blina nor nach will she royas eventually. You know, fós is carhíntaí irit me Luna sac just ro yeah tá gach Déanta no bionna gach Déanta. For example, my local cafe that I was go to, Cafe Áitiúil in a mí magóni ag dul doscail sé sús inniu on tuchtúil jeg to bhí lunas to the 18th of August today for the first time in about 2 or 3 weeks on chéadúir le gá nó trí seachtain anús. So tried to break it up Jen America a bhrisú sús agus cúpla lá nó cúpla seachtain dhéanaan seo cúpla seachtain ar sin éireann agus I ri na blina seo during this year trying to do ag Jen America níos mó late this year, no níos mó taistal a dhéanú tíomhaiste Jen Spáin. Inside of Spain and not dull haar larg den Garman an Idal an rang chun Greg Áitsna is toch stereotypical huntal lí de sire in áte sin nó an áit like lí de sire fada ar fa seachtain nó caiiciis a dhéanamh tá méid Jane bhíocht de mlína sais city breaks, Tivas shit in Spawn again. I guess you gotta do some city breaks inside Spain just for literally 2 days, 3 days. Dulga Casres by me Dulga on Fla of Ian Ictarlu. Yes, there's a Fla, an Irish music Fla that happens in Spain in a place called Casres every September. I'll be there. If any listeners are going to be there, Mata Ian H3 Huntul on Shin. I saw Brinsley McNamara from that Weird Ireland page on Instagram. Tosheshin Egdol Freshen. So Bedrick my chance of Lower Slesh. Agus cúpla den eile an sin. Ach, bhí mé Pamplona ri an Tairí, chun Rossi enmh fa cúpla lá, bhí mé Cadiz in acha le Seville an seo fa cúpla lá, an sin tá mé dul go Granada agus Almeria an tacht an seo, so ag dul go Granada amórach íthóháin an sin agus an sin gá ihe in Almeria. Agus ní mé géirí dul áit éigen fa shocked and omlan, no kaikish. I don't want to go anywhere really for a full week or 2 weeks. Get bored after a day or two, and I like working. Is model of a opera, even lum of fuss. So God, no few 3 lot shin. Mochochen, that's enough. That's kind of my fill. Agus near sauce to hun choctor ashka civil in yeshin. Agus is balach jazz hun of egg mark dollar rihan Tairí near veen shit on a chat. It's a nice way to kind of live or get by during the summer, just to be breaking up. So even if you're here 70 out of the 90 days, June, July and August, few months had been so shocked o law, as the nocha law, ire an Tairí, me mehiv, me ul, me lunasa. Fos, ta she wadni says gum mata trip agat gach cúpla seachtain no gach me ta thurs agat áit an few ar fa iho one, even for one night no gá ta she anna ja. So ag tanú le sin ní ra mé riomh I Granada, ní ra mé riomh in Almeria, thula mé a lán rudaí iontacha faoi Granada, níor thula mé mór an ar churbe faoi Almeria, ach an cúpla rud atá clostagam, the few things that I have heard, thula mé gúil sé gchéintach freisin agus ní bhaid sé cúte mar atá sé an seo, ní bhaid sé fithe hocht fé ní trocha agus mohíonn sé sin fór. That feels cold nuair atá tú tar éis mí omlán a chahu on seo in 40-degree heat after kind of spending a full month, pretty much, or a full last few months, even all somewhere it's been 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, up to 44 last week when the days Cahar law o one on Sockton Shikacha. So really looking forward to that, and yeah, taking a few more days off work. I've not been doing a huge amount of work this summer, and they make it on sour show. But then again, it probably seems like I'm not orint to being cuma air, not mean me a gulp more on Iran Tairí, but in between the trips I'm working flat out so that I can be free for next trip. Idzer in the thirst differul beam meg denu alán e bra honest gomai me seer dun thirst a hain mar hampla an saktan shot to magic dul on warts gadi anina. So mar other sin, the caiú alán e bra an jeir shocked on a river sin agus an jeir shocked on in yeshin. You have to do good work the weekend before that and the weekend after that. So it's a lot of work and then a bit of a holiday, agus mar sinja and so on. So looking forward to that tomorrow. And yeah, just enjoying, I guess, going to kind of different places in Spain. Lína bhí mé Zargata don chéador, hui mé go Pamplona, an áit a rinne mé an Erasmus, cén áit eile ra mé Cadiz, cúpla ór, by me Castres, by me Granada, agus Almeria and Tachtan. So it's just na leichen the show these days is farlum. I prefer dul áit éigen tíbhas sé, jan Spawn mar tá sé chomhmór agus tá méid catharcha timple in Tira, beidir carcha no chuige cahir an seo Spawn. Might be 40 or 50 cities in Spain, agus an méid áit na fós nach bhfuil feiceagam agus fós bhfuil beidir áit eile atá feiceagam ag níl mór an athnagam ar náit, tá mé géir níos mó ama a chathú an sin. So in áit dul áit éigen agus a bheith im a chóirasóir instead of going somewhere and kind of being a tourist or feeling like a tourist at least, few nervy me in Athens a nuri scribbling like a shul simple or in a car. It's just a gach then, or come in here for lunch, or we've this offer, or check out, would you like to look at them? It's just ni matla me a shin ig mohu mar thors or gach den eg lord sperla lat. It's listen nil a lin greigish agam in me girl go me guri greigish a lord sack nerd ta over tourism and áit na fiúnar a haon méid go Malaga an seo nó Marbella nó aon áit don fel Gaeilge for the Gaelic Football League that we're in. Don't really like the feel of it too much, and that's one of the reasons I like Seville. It's not got as much of that níl Meascán sin is Seville, or it's a nicer type of tourism that's here. Tá sais cinál thosaitheoirí níos deise an seo dar lumsa, and I guess there's so much of Ireland and so much of Spain that I haven't seen, my two main countries that I'm going in between, and tá príomh here in the bhfuil me ag dul idir an dá cheann acu. So tá mé géirí, fiú an éireann, ní rá mé ach ag ggurcaig orháin am héal. I was only in Cork one time in my life. Ní rá mé riomh dear chonal. I wasn't ever in Donegal. I've only been to Kerry 2 or 3 times. Ní rá mé chun na Cherry gá nó 3 or. Ar nó í náliamh tá muid dearc in acha le moille, is as moille ma ahar, my father's from moille. Ní mór an atnagam ar na háts na réalaí an moille, bhí mé an sin go blóir sin é. Ní rá mé riomh I Borthlaraga nó Lacórmán nó Kilceannig nó na hátsanna ar an taobh sin denilán. So is mór an trú é, agus is rud nóireach é dumsa nach bhfuil níos mó de éire feice agam. Agus, an Spáin tá méid déanú job níos fearr. Ceapan tá lá áit na tíbhaiste Jen Spáin feice agamach tá mé géirí níos mó áitina a eáil freisin. Agus nuair tá méid taistil fiú má haon méid go áit nua mar hapla Santiago nó Vigo hús an sin na Galícia. Ní ra mé riomh sna háitina sin. Thug tá plán agam chun dul I mí eanar nó mí fiabhra an bhliain seo thugan. An plan an going kind of January or February, even Granada, Almeria this week. Fós ní bmhothaíam cos il tourasóir is dócha. I don't feel like a tourist while I'm there. Níl mór an simagams na rudí tourasóirta, the tourist traps is dócha, it's the touristy things. Agus tá an tangam, agus thosagam má haon mé go dtí an speisialta an seo. By sig sula seo má haon mé go dtí an bar seo, by mar seo, even if I've not been there, because I've spent enough time in Spain, Marial, go bhfuil mo róhannáma catsagam sa Spáin thosagam an áit seo by sé go deas Marial an cuma tá the kind of way it looks or the appearance it has on it. So I guess I prefer kind of, there's so many places in Ireland tá méid sin áitina in Éireann agus Spáin nach bhfuil feice agam agus áitina bhfuil mé géirí níos mó aithne a chur ar na áitina sin. Tá mé níos sásta léithin de saoire beaga dhéanamh tíbhaiste déir, tíbhaiste Jen Spáin agus gan a bheith mothú I thurasóir ar nó in Éireann, ní bhí mé riomh ag mothú mar thurasóir, mar a rís tá teanga agam, is éarnach méid, tá blasang was clúradala and everything else. So sin is tócha mai modus operandi, I guess, nó an chuí ó bhfuil mé ag géirí rudaí a dhéanú na léithinnta seo. Luí mé an obair an sin agus tá mé go dóthach leis an obair ag bhfuil méid dul ar léithin de sire, tá mé dúr goráseo léithin de sire an teachtain scate agus ag dul arís an teachtain seo, just back from holidays last week and now going again, but in between those two, very busy with work on chun óthach leis an obair mar tá córsa nua ag teachtamach ar Learn Irish Online an teachtain se thugan a new course coming out on LIO next week over on learnirishonline.com. So ag tanú go mór le sin, Bígí in our leanúint Instagram, YouTube, TikTok agus by fiosrúcháin ag dul sús an sin ar an dawnach seo ceapan this Sunday on cabhrú. On cabhrú is fiche de bhí lunas, so the 24th, not the 14th of August, announcing what it is about, or announcing what is on the way. So ag tanú go mór leis sin, agus é sin a bheith déanta agam, tá an course a déanta agam, but a lot of different stuff in regards to promotion, posting and scheduling and proofreading the course ruddy, cosú le sin fós le déanamh agam, ach ag tanú go mór le sin a chur amach ar an mórt ar an séolá is fihid the 26th. That course is going to be available. I'll give you a clue what it's about by me glart faoi arénos an teachtain se thugan ar an bud craile bush clue beag chad gur féidir lemra. Tá sé buinte le ceann sin an canúintí. It's to do with one of the dialects. Tá mé an é sin ará ach ní féidir lem aon rud eile rá ach all will be revealed nocht for gach rud le cúnaide an tachtain seogan agus fiú Céadaoin an tachtain seo ba mé an labhairt beagan níos mó faoi ach ag tinú mór le cuasa nua a chur le fáil an sin learnirishonline.com. So yeah, I don't watch many movies. Ní bhíon méid fécans mór an scála. Ach, a réir, deach mé scála aigen. Dar bhanam Inglourious Bastards, cínte go mbeidh sé feice ag a lán ag éisteacht ní gach denach ag a lán ag éisteacht leis an bud craile. Seo agus, te lá, ní mé ró chafa a churbe le scála beidir go mín mé ag féchant Sam 3 no Keriscana nua in eine blina 3 or 4 new films a year maybe if we don't count documentaries. But in fact, níos mó documentaries, ruddy le déine rudig leis an glór fásnéise, the documentary le Ronnie O'Sullivan, couple blino hin, Hartar an am céan a bhí an Beckham, an cean faoi Beckham le fáil agus cúpla cean eile an cean faoi Rooney, cúpla blin ribh sin Amazon Prime an cean faoi Peter Crouch. Cín is tócha buinte leis an sport nó leis an geol freisin rudig le Supersonic le Oasis an chlór fásnéise sin. There's the weekly Oasis reference, I guess. An tagart sachtanúil chuig Oasis. Ach, dúirt mé you know what? I haven't watched one in a while. Níl cean feice agam le tamil anús. And a lot of people have said to me over the last few years, tá sé ráitsa ag lán daoine lom le cúpla blin anús. Agus lán daoine bhfuil nó wa acu So a lot of people who know me well, dúirt siad caiithú Inglourious Bastards le Quentin Tarantino eáil, mar, tá sé buinte leis an dara cogad Déanta. It's to do with World War II, agus tá an sim agat sa chugad sin ach níos mó star an féú híis. I love the history of the 20th century. Like I've said before, if it happened before 1900, I'd find it hard to get into being siad deacart chun sim is tócha a bheith agam i rudí a thar le ribh ní deag céad, ní mé gur nach rá na rudí sin tábhachtach, not saying those things weren't important, but 20th century is my kind of, I suppose, field of interest. There, well, it's been níos mó sim agam sa fiú híis ná aon rud eile. Ach, dúirt tá Lanchangaicha is féidir leat an Gearmánis, mBéarla, an Nadális agus an Frankis a chlostal i ré an Scánán agus tháinig méid cúpla clips, tá cúpla clip an cháú le stócha ó Inglourious Bastards rudig sa le, that's a bingo. Agus tá cean eile, you're hiding enemies of the state, are you not? Agus mar sinse. So deich mé stócha gur hatan sé lom, níl mé rá nóir hatan sé lom. I wouldn't say that I didn't like it. Ach sé asaide, ceapan 6 out of 10. An chéad le, ní rá sé róa. No, bhí sé cearclóir. Mé beter piúganín háis an seo. Mar deag an níl mé róchafa le Scotland. Agus actually, considering it was a 2.5-hour movie, I wasn't checking the time or how long was left too much. Ní rá méid seáil cico fada sa tá fácha mór an agus deag an bhí méid déanú an rud sin the few times that I do sit down and watch a film. So 6, maybe 6.5, no, 6 out of 10. I think sé as a je. Bhí sé, níor had nach chéad le an number cholum. I found it weird. It was trying to be serious and you're trying to be funny at the same time. Ní mé hon labhairt faoin plastics, ní mé hon an number spoilers ó thuirt dit. Ach, like mar hampla an chéad ráirc, the first scene, bhí sé déanúireacht a bheith an daire. It was trying to be very serious, agus, bhí sé cláirt sa stócha faoin na Giúdaigh, the Jews, agus an Holocaust, agus, cico brón agus bhí an lad Francach seo bhí na daoine seo a thuirt sús, agus bhí éasca gur raibh na Giúdaigh seo chun bás a all. He knew these Jews were going to die, were going to be killed by these Germans that were coming in, but he had to do it to save himself, or that was his view. Vír é sin a dhéanú chun é héin is tócha uns go méich sé in an leanúint ráid, uns go méich sé in an markdal so that he'd be able to survive. Now, sad and serious, that wasn't touched on points the Holocaust and humanity. ach an sin le an chéadrá eile bhí Brad Pitt an sin ag láirt faoi the Jew bear agus, bhí sé ní sé réadú le churbe. It wasn't realistic at all. The most Americans you could ever find there, 10 of them breaking into German prison, Detneraku, big dollars shock at prison. Germánach, oh yeah, they just kill everyone and get this guy out of the prison, chances shock agus better spoiler at all and shock ní cheapam goal sé rochana. I don't think it's too bad. Chances shock agus fine seed an lad show, an lad Americanach show as on Brazil. It's just like, I don't mind, just come along, má tá to be geary if our grandver agus comedy íanamh an dar chu gnána sin cearclóir agus fós cinnte go fréidir leat scan an tanamhach a chrochu as sin. You can definitely still make an enjoyable and entertaining movie at that. And I don't mind if you want to be fully serious. It's come along má tá to be geary of céad fungéad dá éire sin cearclóir freisin agus cos le Schindler's List na rud aigen. But the mix of the two, I just didn't really get, near Hatton on Meascán idir on dá rud lom. The person who saved the film was the guy who played Hans Landa, the Jew hunter, or the Jew killer, Jew hunter ceapam sin an tanam a bhí air. Bhí sesin anna ní ceapam ghfuil aon rud eile feici agam leis an aistear sin. Christoph Waltz ceapam an tanam atar. I think his name is Christoph Waltz, and I don't think I've ever seen any of the other films with him in it. He was very, very good and really made the movie. He was the best. And the Jewish girl, whoever acted as the Jewish girl on Chalín a bhí éisteacht mar an Chalín giúdach freisin bhí siise an a bhá. Ach seachas é sin cheap mé ar Brad Pitt tá sé gcónaí gomach bhí a character beganín Saffoideach. His character was kind of ridiculous in my opinion. So yeah, the second half I thought was better. On Darla, bhí sin níos fearr. I'm speaking about it now as if it's a 15th century play, and there was an interval, but in general, the end of the movie, the last 45 minutes or an hour, on beidir carcha cuaig nó me dearnach nó or a chléig dearnach, bhí sé sin bhád níos fearr domsa arénos agus gacrad le Operation Kino agus gacrad a Harla timpeall ar an bitir lá and everything that happens around the cinema agus an plot a bhí acu nó ag tuairtein spoilers an sin ceapam, and the few plot twists towards the end le Hans Landa agus leis an Gaeilge sin, leis an Gaeilge giúdach freisin, the Jewish girl as well. Bhí sé sin an bhá agus hathan an Darla níos mó ná an chéad leat lom. Sach bhí sé cearclóir 6 out of 10 for me. Sé as a gen níl sagam an bhfuil si bhgéirí níos mó movie reviews no film reviews becartún rá in Éireann. I always like to use the Irish English as opposed to the American or British English. So film, we'll say film reviews. And the way we say film in Ireland, film, cáil an becartó a bheith film gan ein film iste an sin. So cin fá bhfuil sé film in áit film in Éireann sin margheall ar an Gaeilge. That's because of Irish. Mar hapla blue, how do we say it? We say gurm. Gurm. We don't say gurm. No, in mo chanúint arénos in my dialect don't say gurm. Say gurm. Tá says idir an or agus an m agus rud cén sin le film. Agus ceapan ghfuil cúpla focail eile sula sin a mBéarla in Éireann agus ar nó as Gaeilge ach ní freidslam cuimhnú arthú inis can't remember them right now. But yeah, bhí sé ceartlóir man táis figurí níos mó leirmheasanna film reviews ní bhí méid fécans ar mór an ach ceapan beidir ghfuil mé chuntasnú fécans ar níos mó cín acu. Gonna watch some more of them now, and maybe one a month or something like that. Ceann one, nine misa. There's probably people who watch one every night or one every second night and think, geez, how do you only watch one a month? Or I don't even watch one a month now. That would be more so my goal. Bheith sé sin níos mó cosúil le spruch a bheith agam. But I really like, I suppose, watching stuff that was made like pre-2000s roughly. Ag féchans ar rudí a rinne riv gábhíle na beidir rudí níos nua aimsire, more modern things, but are based on things that happened before 2000s, mar hapla. Inglourious Bastards, no Meascán an a bhaineann leis an gcéad, no an dara, Céadaoin, anything that's to do with the First or Second World War, anything to do with 20th century history. I guess as a person, and I've spoken about this before on the show, bhí mé labhairt faoi seo rive ar an show. Is duine soch analog. I'm a fairly analog person. I don't like digitalizing my life too much now. Listen, I work completely online. My company is an online company. It's called Erlina a Macholucht, learnirishonline. That's my full-time job. Shin my first law in Aimshire. But, and then, you know, I use ChatGPT loads. I think using AI over the next 10 to 15 years is going to be the absolute key, such as the internet was in the 90s. You know, or mar bhí an idirlín I réit na nócaidí by sure mar an rud céine. You have to get on it now for most jobs and use it in some type of way. Ach, ní maith am bheith léamh ar Kindle. Is fearr am bheith léamh ar fápar agus leabhar physical. Ní maith am bheith scríomh nó close-scríomh ar an laptop. I don't like to be writing or typing on the laptop. Is fearr am scríomh le peann agus pápar. Any Learn Irish Online or Gaeilge Weekly members will be getting a PDF of the most tricky or the most difficult words in this episode. I write that out. You know, I have a pen in my hand right now. Tá peann in my love dear and I'm writing out any difficult words that come up. I'll make scríomh ein focal zachr a hagan anis. I don't type it out as I'm going, or I don't listen back. I don't want unnecessary time in front of a screen. So for me, using whatever Meta to do my ads or using ChatGPT to write my stuff for social media, it's matlam na rudí sin mar tá siad riachtanach. They're necessary for me to live the life I want to live and to grow my business. Hon noch no a dhéanamh níos mó agus mar sinja, but just sitting there on my phone scrolling through Instagram for an hour of hí agus déanamh mé. I do it because we're all a bit addicted, aren't we? Tá andúil agin galéir ceapam nach bhfuil ach I tried to do it less and less and less. And I like the idea of living a life almost as if you're in the 80s or 90s. Not completely, ní go humlán, but buying the paper, reading your book, or being able to use your physical ticket instead of ticket on your phone to go on the train or the plane or whatever. Huntal ar an Etzlan or an train. Le ticket physical and áit on QR code is full am anish to Ryanair a gachrú ceapam a policy in Meascán. Ryanair are changing their policy in November. Agus ní bhaidh on boarding pass physical úsáid. So even if you print off the QR code, ní bhaidh is sin úsáid ó Meascán as sin amach ceapam from then on out. Agus ceapam gúil mé hon stoppu. Agus nach bhfuil mé hon Ryanair úsáid níos mó agus nach bhfuil mé hon leanúint rá gceitseoilt le Ryanair. Mar sin ansáis dystopian. Dar lumsa, that's kind of dystopian for me. And I don't mean that in some people say it in a real political way, being dínig láirt fao seo. Is mód politúil is toch, like, people tracking you and everything's digitalized. It's come along fao sin. I don't really care about that, but just cén fáil nach bhfuil tú an chuirta physical úsáid. Why can't you use physical card? Why do you have to have a smartphone? And I have a smartphone, but why does everybody and other people, especially older people, have to have a smartphone? Cén fáil go gaithú phone chlichte úsáid chun markdal. And I think in general you don't nowadays. You can still live without a smartphone and live without a bank account if you really wanted to, or certainly without a credit card if you wanted to. You know, but ceart go méid chun ráha I gcónaí ag daoine. I think people should always have the choice, and that people should always, I only use cash, I don't use my card. Bí mé úsáid cash agus agad tíorm, ní bhíon mé ag úsáid nó buint úsáid as mo chóirta go minic go ham. You know, if I only have 50 on me, I'm just like, it's only €2 I'll pay on my phone. Be make geek my phone. Fos, you know, úsáid am an chóirta on online purchases again. No, shockas sin. Ní bhíon me really riomh ag buint úsáid just mo chóirta no ag tógáil mo chóirta credfast or bringing my credit card with me because I don't need it. I have cash with me. I always have a few hundred on me going to cúplacéad. Or okay, bín mé úsáid an chóirta chun an cash a thógáil amach ach sin and then I put the card down for 3 or 4 weeks and I don't pick it up again an sin fágam an chóirta ar fad trí nó ceir seachtain agus ní bhíon mé ag buint úsáid as arís. And again, buying the paper, going out for a coffee, chatting away, someone calling old friends, just doing the things that again were maybe done more. Beidir gunnearnú na rudí seo níos mó trocha no carcha blian ó hin. Agus beidir ní éanam muds na rudí an méid sin. sna leighon the show. Maybe you find it more in rural areas, maybe you find it more in countries like Spain instead of Ireland. Beidir go mín an rud sin ag níos mó seo sa Spáin mar hampla náit in Éireann. Níl is agam, I don't know. And there's a lot of other young people I know who are the same, who are kind of just sick of always using the phone or having to use screens for everything. Tá siad sais sin tuirseach as phone agus scáil an úsáid le haid gachrod agus just weren't tá sin níos éasca le haid in sin fresh, and sometimes just easier for your head as well. Just put the phone away for half the day, for a few hours, put it in airplane mode, chur in mode etchilt, ná Misha churm an phone in mode etchilt, ag meáníthe agus tá sé mar sin go dtí meán léin ó a héana clog an lá ar gion. I normally leave it in airplane mode till midday or 1 o'clock in the afternoon the day after. Agus tá mi sásta mar sin, agus just ceapam, tá sásta gohfuil an tucí fóságan. We still have society in such a way that you can still live like that, and I hope that doesn't change in the future. Tá súla am nach roi sé sin stáci agus I gcónaí go maion rá agat. Okay, I work online, I spend a lot of time on laptop and AI, ChatGPT and Meta and Clipchamp and Patreon, all these things, softwares, Bulgari, Diffrul, on our fád sin mar and I don't have to do that. If I wanted to get a job where I didn't have to be in front of a screen, I could do that. Most ruddy go raibh mé géirí postaí dhéanamh nach raibh mé os cóir scáil an bheith mé an é sin a dhéanamh. And I hope that doesn't change. I hope there's always that choice. I'm all for progression. I'm all for AI. I'm all for international business, opening up doors to people, allowing people to move about the world. You know, onas go mai daoine an taistil timpeall an down ach. Ní mé géirí go gaithí phone cliste nó gaithí scáil I gcónaí bheith agat chun gachrod dhéanamh. I don't like that. I've heard in China, it's like that now. Chula mé sa Chín gohfuil sé cosúla sin le WePay, I think it's called, and cash is kind of gone in a lot of places there, and they don't even accept it's full am rudí mar sin. Agus tásúla an gcónaí gur féidir leat pápar nuachtán na cheannach, gur féidir leat cash úsáid, gur féidir leat leabhar physical úsáid. Agus ceapam mo chlún, my generation, tá muid ag fill rash na rudí sin. Vinyl is becoming popular again. Buying the paper, I think, will become popular. Kindles have never really taken off as a lot of people thought they would. Ceapam demlín ó hin cúg blina jeg ó hin 10-15 years ago. Bhí gach den ag smaoinú by, you know, when you buy ein lower physical like on demlín. Books are as popular now as they were 10-15 years ago, if not more. Ceapam gúil beidir níos mó tóir anis here lower physical in odds. No cúg blina jeg ó hin agus gúil a lot daoine fill rash cosú lumpsa. A lot of people are kind of returning back, like myself, to that kind of idea of, you know, life isn't in front of a screen. Life is going out for coffee, chatting to friends, going for a walk, going for a swim, reading a book, you know, na rudí sin. Agus segue an a war é seo ach mar sin is matlum féchantir chlorana no scanan. So films or shows or programs from the 80s, 90s are based on the kind of 20th century, I guess, and looking at how people lived and seeing people play cards together. Ag féchan chuid ag immert córtaí le chéile agus ag féchan chuid just orint a bheith sían sin gan an radio. No, beidir mar hapla ag úsáid an radio an áit just ag piocú rud ag ar Netflix. And listen, I don't think now is a better time to be alive than 30-40 years ago. Ní ceapan gohfuil níos fearr inis ná gohfuil sin níos fearr inis ná trocha nó caracha bliana hin ní ar churbet, not at all. But there are some things that I preferred. Tá rudí áirithe stócha agus ceapam go raibh siad níos fearr. No beidir just níos le am ach ag an am céine. I love using Spotify. I have no interest in buying a CD player. You know, it's even them Spotify úsáid tá sé bhád níos éasca. So chomhpháirtíocht is tócha balance sin an rud atá ag eist agus i gcónaí tá mé ag déanamh an chomhpháirtíocht sin all agus just tá mé intín haon from my own mind, from my own head, níos le am a chathú an phone agus leis an technoliacht agus níos le am a chathú nuair atá mé ceangailte leis an daon agus just a bheith ceangailte le my chóirstanna le with my neighbours, to be connected with them and real people in my life and my family and not, you know, daoine an tíbheile an daon ag tuairt samach fí rud éigean nach bhfuil tábhachtach dumsa, people on the other side of the world giving out about something that's not important for me and on social media and all this nonsense and the dramatisation of things and the fear mongering. Tá mis se sástán saoil níos simplí a bheith agam agus ceapan go méid go landíní níos sásta ag markdáil an sais saoil sin. I think a lot of people will be happier living that type of life. But anyway, bit heavy. Buganín dair, buganín trum. But I never, I'm trying to make things heavy, just making 1 or 2 points. I think one or two things that I believe in cúpla rud. Tá tábhachtach domsás cúpla rud in a gredjum unto me hin. So yeah, sinné, guys, le haid an podcréile an tsachtan seo agus an leagan níos simplí. Gur míle mágah. Big thank you, as always, Meascán as a bheith ag túnal isteach. Be speaking to you guys next week anyway, and speaking a little bit about the new course on Chursa nua Learn Irish Online. But keep an eye out over the weekend as well, especially on Sunday for 1 or 2 announcements about that. Instagram, YouTube, and other places. After I've just said to you that I'm trying to spend, and I think other people should try and spend less time on the phone as well. If not, just tune in next week. I'll be speaking about it then. Túnal isteach an tsachtan seogan by méid labhairt faoi an sin. Míle buchas, big seachtain, an éasca agah ar fad, slán go fóill.